Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave and I am coming back to you from New York. So we are getting back to physical findings on this Thursday's Medical Minute. And I recently saw a patient who had a very distinct characteristic physical finding that can suggest that they are diabetic or pre-diabetic. And this is called Acanthosis nigricans. And Acanthosis nigricans is a brown patch that is typically found around skin folds. So you could see on this person's neck, the fold is surrounded by a velvety brown patch of skin. This is called Acanthosis nigricans. It is also seen in the armpit, as you can see here. Again, around the folds, this is a velvety brown patch. And again, here you could see it in the armpits. If you have this, or you have a loved one who has this finding, they really need to be checked for either insulin resistance, pre-diabetes, or diabetes. So if you see this, definitely contact your doctor and get checked. Okay guys, until next time, this is Dr. Dave.